every room you walk in, your energy lets the real ones know that you are a shining star. Don't take your eyes off the prize, girl, you're on the sun. And I love it, yeah. Like girl.
Chat. Holy shit, where'd everyone go? What's good, chat? How are we doing? Big ass day today. Huh? Chat, who's here? Come say hi. What's poppin', everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? I see Dutty Bikes in here. Right, fuck it. Let's start the stream. In 3, 2, chat. What is good? How are we doing, everybody? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. All of those ones right there. What's good, Spion? How's it going, brother? Alright, chat. It's going to be a good day today. It's going to be a good ass day today. I'm excited for this one. So, Darius was popping. Tony's here. Kick. All right, guys. What's good? So, it's going to be a mad day today. What's good, Dirty Bikes? It's going to be a crazy day today. Because we got Trump basically announcing some mental shit. I'm pretty sure Trump 48 hours ago said Iran has 48 hours to stop what they were doing. And it's been like 47 and a half hours or something. So I'm pretty sure they're going to announce some fucked up shit. Imagine. Crazy log, glad I'm not trading. I know, Dirty Bikes, congratulations by the way, my friend. Congrats. Mr. Dirty Bikes had his first kid. You love to see it. Alright, cool. So, let's take a look at gold right now, chat. On the daily time frame, we are pretty bullish on gold. I think overall, we're looking good to push up throughout the week. You should see gold have a nice little move. We've got room all the way up towards 784 as a minimum. But to be honest, on the weekly, you've got room even higher, which is great. Now, if we drop to the 4 hour, you've got basically no top wick on the current 4 hour, and you also closed, you closed respecting here, but you closed above the most recent high. So I would say you have room on the 4 hour up towards 800 level. Pretty much. On the hourly, we're going to probably look for a closure above 713. I think anywhere above there should be good for the buys. And if you are taking sells, you're probably going to, or actually we'll look for buys off of 675 as well. Like a retracement buy. What's the OTE on that saying? It should be pretty much accurate. A little bit lower. Alright, cool. So we'll look for like Sky Dweller buys somewhere around here. Could be good. And yeah, other than that, if we get that closure above, we'll take the continuation buys. If not, we'll take the pullback buys. And sells on gold will be coming all the way down here, right? But I'm not too interested in the sells. I don't think it's that crazy. But yeah, cool. That's the gold analysis right there. Hopefully that made sense. Guys, make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, by the way. NQ is a different story. NQ is super bullish as well. I think you probably made a low down here for NQ. Starting to break some structure. 4 hour closed above most recent. You have a very strong 4 hour level that you just closed above here. So you do technically have room up towards 451. Yeah, okay, cool. So essentially there's another level here as well at 323. If we close above there, we should continue up towards the highs. So maybe we can look for like Sky Dollar buys after that closure above, and then sells will look for retests of this area down here at 215. All right, pretty simple. Actually, no, I'll look for buys off of this. Sells are going to be all the way down here, most likely. All right, so buys will be here. Buys will be here. Buys will be here. Cool. All right, chat. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if it does. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? What did you guys get up to? Anything interesting? Please let me know, man. Glad I'm not trading. I know, yeah, the Trump shit's going to be mad interesting. It's currently a European bank holiday. It is Easter Monday right now. But that being said, you do have no American bank holidays. So it should be Price action as normal. Just chilling with friends? Nice. Should we do a giveaway on the stream? Yeah, I think we should, bro. I think we should. A gay dude hit on me in front of his boyfriend? That's insane. Rastafari, welcome back. Long time no see. Friend of mine crashed his new M2. Oh my days, that's horrible. That's horrible, man. Sells when ice on gold. 15-minute sells to the Wickfield. Maybe. Oh yeah, here or what? Oh, here. First time being here, looking forward to it. Hey, welcome, Fanatical. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're in the right place. All right, cool. All right, chat. So yeah, NYSE in 13 minutes. I genuinely think something crazy is going to happen on the open. So I'm not going to take a position yet until then. Let me pin this. Oh yeah, I did pin it. Why does it pin at the bottom now? That's so weird. That is very strange. Anyone take any positions so far today? So that was 15 minutes ago. Yeah, you just said. You just said. No, I'm joking. Good shit. It's at the top for me? Alright, weird. Maybe it's just my screen. Guys, Bitcoin's pumping. Let's fucking go. Finally. One small loss on gold. Asia sweep model. And one BE on EURUSD. Yeah, the markets are weird recently. The Asia sweep model. Did it take a loss? Oh. We haven't swept Asia there. Actually, there was Asia sweep sells. Kind of here. Here. This is the only Asia sweep model that I see. Bang. They printed. Hey, what's good, Alfie? How's it going, man? Oh, Mr. Alfie, I've got a crazy game today. I'm playing against two 3.1s. What's up, Tony? How's it going, man? My hero? I appreciate it, bro. Wait, let me just do this quickly. I need to turn my notifications off. That's huge, bro. Cuff them up, bro. I'm playing with I don't know, this guy that I play with sometimes. He's good, but he can never really be bothered. You know what I mean? He's actually sick at the game. He's an ex-tennis pro, but he's always just super lazy. So I don't know. We'll see. That was good, Will. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream. It really does help out. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are doing well today. What have we done in terms of draws? We took out... No major draws got taken. Man's in Thailand. You're in Thailand, crazy. It's 8:20 p.m. Nice. Took anything in Asian? I didn't trade Asia last night. I probably won't be trading Asia this week. Fuck. On the weekend, I had two... on Saturday and Sunday, I had 2 consecutive paddle games at like 9 in the morning. So my sleep schedule is actually fixed purely because of paddle. Oh, Alfie, I bought 2 new rackets as well. I bought 2 new rackets over the weekend. You switched to ICT combining with your strat? I've been gone for too long? Nah, not really. I guess you could call them some ICT concepts, but I added the OTE to the strat. That's really it. I got edge this morning, tough. What did you buy? I bought the the Head Speed Pro 2025, I think. Which is, I really like it. Like, I used it over the weekend. It's fucking sick. And I bought the... I think it's like the Babolat... Fuck, what's it called? Hang on, let me check. Oh, no, sorry. The Ball Paddle Vertex 4. They're both sick, bro. Both really nice rackets. Headspeed Pro, are we serious? Headspeed Pro X 2025. Yeah. I know. Crazy name, but... Baba Counter Viper? Yeah, bro, but... I'm pretty sure that's like the... super advanced. I don't know, to be fair, actually, the Headspeed Pro is pretty... It's super hard and it's super smash optimized. Like top heavy, the sweet spots closer to the top. Yeah, like I'm not buying that shit just yet. I'm gonna buy some. I mean, to be fair, they were both like 250 euros, so it's like 500 euros total worth of rackets. I know I take a break in bros using iced tea. Yeah, crazy. They're great rackets. Nah, they're good. I really like it. Low key, like, my kick smash has got so much better since using it. It's like out every time now, pretty much. Is that 1 hour? Is what 1 hour? The chart? This is 1 hour. Making some bullish PA here, boys. Very interesting stuff. Can we come back and tap into our OTE level? That'd be really nice. Looking for something like this. Chat, we'll be looking for something like this, right? We're making that bullish price action. Wait for a retest into this area here. That would also be sweeping the session lows. And then there. Oh, price for the head? Yeah, crazy. This is what we'll be looking at here. Something like this. In Thailand, it's just 10 pounds. 100 baht or whatever the fuck that is. 1,000 baht, I don't know. Alright, chat, it's time to make a mill. I'm dead serious about this one now. It's time to make a mill. Otherwise... Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Big week ahead of us though, boys. If you were in the pre-market analysis... Oh yeah, by the way, I did a pre-market analysis in the Discord yesterday. And at the end, like 50% of people were just like, yeah, by the way, bro, I couldn't hear you the entire time. It's like, yeah, sick. Thanks for telling me. Really nice. Chat, by the way, we have news in 30 minutes as well. We have NYSE open in 7 minutes. And then we could, then we have news in 30 minutes. PMI. Yeah, you can, RP. It's the same. Just compare the charts, right? Look, they just have different numerical values, but it's the same price action. It's the exact same. Maybe some minor differences, but nothing worth worrying about. Oh, good. Just freeze. Just freeze trading, dude. That would be really good. That would be really, really good. I didn't actually want to use my chart, in fairness. Chat, what's going on? Time's Trump talking. 8, I think. I have to close this down. Oh. Are we gonna load or? Holy shit! They don't want me to trade, chat. They don't want me to trade. All right, we're back. I'm so interested to see what happens on the open. I think it's going to go crazy. I think we go nuts. We're really going to go stupid right now, chat. Crazy work? What's crazy work? You can't just say crazy work. Oh, the trading view stuff. Maybe, yeah. Chat, it might be time for 10 mil. It might be time for 10 mil right this instant. Otherwise, you guys are banned. It actually felt quite nice not trading Asia last night. I'm not gonna lie. It actually felt quite nice. Asia's been stressing me out recently. Three minutes here, boys. 3 minutes. Any questions you guys have, now's a good time to ask as well. By the way, boys, Tradeify are running a new promo. They dropped their new Tradeify 3.0 or whatever. You can currently get, I think, 40% off using code... What is it? Yeah, 40% all off all accounts using Tradeify. Holy shit, using code TRLS. Let me actually make an announcement on that. 40% off all accounts at Tradeify. Holy shit. Using... Nice. I'm getting close to max allocation on Tradeify as well. I'm going to try and get max allo for the select plans, get the daily payouts. It's going to be absolutely game over. $5,000 per day in payouts. You know how mental that is, boys. 5 bandolinis per day. Okay, cool. Are you with E8 now? I saw you with E8. That's where I got to know you. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, I've been trading with E8 as well too. E8 are pretty sick. They are really, really good. You can use code TRLS at E8 as well to get a discount. It's the max discount, whatever they're offering. That series that I'm doing with E8 is pretty sick. And welcome, by the way. Is MNQ futures? Yes. It's NASDAQ futures. So if you trade CFD, that will be NAS 100 futures, basically. Guys, 40 seconds till NYSE open here. Pushing down just before the open is very interesting. I think we're going to have a big reaction on the open here. I could be wrong, but I've just got a feeling. Oh, and I was right. And I was right. Holy schmolies, chat. What did I say? See my banger? No, not yet. I can't put a code for Tradeify. Code TRLS. What do you mean? Oh my days, boys. What are we doing here? Both gold and NQ ripping up. 1 hour flipped on NQ here. Can't press the button. Maybe just refresh. Okay, chat, this could be very interesting here. Maybe we get like a strong bullish close. Strong bullish close leading us into a nice sky dweller here on the 1 hour would be pretty cool. Maybe that's what we can look for. I don't know what you mean. Wait, Jay, what'd you take? What'd you take, Mr. Janus? Or Mr. Nuss, I should call you. I told you guys we'd rip up, huh? I told you. Alright, but let's see what we can actually take here. So did you swept some lows here? Is that any important lows? What do we have here? No, nothing crazy. No session lows or anything. Chat, by the way, 40 of you in here right now. I very much appreciate it. Make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Let's get to at least like 30 likes. That'd be huge. Gold reflipped. Ooh, chat, gold reflipped. Hopefully we can come down into our key area here. What's good, Danny? What'd you catch, Jay? Let me see. 1.5k. Is that on the funded? Holy schmolies. Mr. Payout. Mr. Payout over here. An Ella open? Why? What? NYC open just now? Brother, why are we taking open positions? Don't even ask me. Was it a bit of a FOMO trade, Mr. Daniel? Can I get some sleep while I have my chance? Yeah, true actually, bro. Congrats and say congrats to the missus for me. W, bro. Looks like NQ's the one to trade right now. Gold's basically stagnant. NQ could be setting up nicely though. Could be setting up very, very nicely. 5 minute just closed as well, or it's about to close, sorry, 10 seconds. Yeah, so we just closed here. I'm looking at these highs over here, right? There's a lot of consolidation around like this area, which is interesting to me. I think we take this out first. Maybe we just flip right now. Never mind then, we flipped. Interesting, chat. Interesting. I just got fucked on some BS. Boys, why are you trading the open? Especially when Trump's like announcing war shit. That's like 100% gambling. You may as well just fuck... Oh my days, I actually called it as well. I actually just called this dump. You may as well take fucking blackjack full port on rainbet. Like, the open's just manipulation central. Especially with Mr. Trumpenstein. Oh my god, we're about to flip. We are actually about to flip. Unreal. Good to see you on YouTube. Bro, I've been doing YouTube every single week, but what's good, Dan? How you doing, man? Yeah, just pure and straight manips. Manips of the elations. We just flipped, boys. That's actually unreal. $30 minutes of flip bearish. I think we come down obviously quite a bit further in that case. Unbelievable, Jeff. Unbelievable. We're either gonna now just start to consolidate within this area, or you're gonna absolutely melt downwards here. Fucking crazy, chat. Absolutely insane stuff. I've not much time, so I don't see it all the time. No, all good, bro. Don't worry. Not a problem. Do you chat? Like, now we're not even pushing down after that. Very interesting here. You should realistically fill all the way down right now. Let's see. 15-minute closure in 5 minutes. It's a long time. 5 minutes is a long time to wait here. I think we push back up. I actually do think we push back up here. I think that's a fake flip. I know it's crazy, right? But I don't trust this right now. I don't trust this. It seems like it wants to wipe out a load of panic sellers. That's my opinion here. Just my intuition there. By the way, guys, the free course is close to being out. So for those of you who've been waiting for it, your wait is nearly over. Yeah, nearly over. It's gonna be sick. I'm so excited for that. In fact, let me go quickly. I'll be back in a sec. Ah. Sure. Great win for Leeds yesterday in the FA Cup. Holy shit. W Leeds. Great stuff. I have a soft spot for Leeds, I'm not gonna lie. But I haven't been following football. I've been way too busy recently. It's been so annoying. Actually, no, it's not annoying. I like being busy. I think it's 5 flips, chat. I genuinely think it's 5 flips and runs. How insane. Look at this weird, just shenanigans, chat. Just absolute shenanigans right now. Untradeable PA. Untradeable. Oh. By the way, it's the start of a new quarter. I forgot to mention. Obviously, we ended off Q1 last week. How was everyone's Q1? Did you guys end up in profit for the quarter? Was it a good quarter? I know it was pretty rough in terms of price action. But in terms of like the actual quarter itself, how did you guys end the 3-month period? For me, I think it was like to be honest, Q1's always been my weak quarter. So I think I came out in profit still, but no, I did come out in profit still. Definitely, but it could have been way better. I definitely could have traded a lot better than I did. Let's say I'm looking forward to this quarter a lot. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Can you guys see that on the screen? Oh, chat. Need to work on myself, my trading, July mentality. Yeah, you got this, bro. I believe. I believe. Genuinely. Oh my days. I told you. What did I say? What did I say? I told you guys this would happen. Just ridiculous price action. We're planning a call for tomorrow? Yeah, sure. Where's the free account for buying accounts with codes RLS? I've already given it away to someone. Bro's confirmed market maker? I actually am. I genuinely am the market maker. I just tell price where to go. I literally I send a WhatsApp. Whenever you guys see me on my phone, I just send a WhatsApp to some guy and say like, make price go to this number. And then it goes. It's pretty cool. Bro has to be Jewish at this point. Unreal. It's been a year since I first hopped in your live. Crazy. Thank you for the support, brother. Hi life, what's good? Welcome back, man. What's good? I'm doing very well. 15 minutes closing bullish by the looks of things. Not the strongest bullish, but also not terrible. I don't really trade NQ, but it's a 15 close above good. Yeah, but I don't trust this right now. You've also got news in 15 minutes. Where's Forex Factory? You've got news in 15 minutes. Oh, chat. Smiley face on the wall. Yeah, PMI is in 15 minutes, so... Nice to catch your stream. Yeah, bro, welcome back. I don't think we can really take anything here just yet. Maybe we get something off the back of news though. I think something keeps going wrong because I'm desperately rushing to get a win just because I passed an account. Yeah, why is that, bro? You've also got to think like, what was the reason you passed your account? Definitely wasn't because you were FOMOing into positions, right? You know, that was not the reason. Boy needs money? Yeah, but you're not going to get money that way. It's not how you get your money. You know, you're not going to get money by rushing the setups, rushing the process, all that sort of stuff. That's not how it works. This music's actually banging, low key. One minute flipping. Looks like we go further up here, chat. Is it alright to start out learning Asia trading as New York ain't possible whilst I'm locked in on my job? Yeah, of course. You have to trade what you can actually trade, right? There's no point learning to trade New York if you can't trade it because of your job. That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, definitely, man. And also, Asia's good to trade. Don't be afraid about trading Asia. Asia's nice. I was way more careful then. I was acting less desperate and stayed more calculating since I was only messing about. Didn't feel some invisible pressure. The pressure's not invisible. You're putting the pressure on yourself. You know? Which obviously you shouldn't be doing. There is no pressure, right? Like, no one's putting pressure on you. You have a job. You have a good... You know, you don't need the money this instant. Maybe you would like the money, but you don't need the money. And also, even if you did need the money, the quickest way to get there is not by forcing a setup. Crazy, we're actually ripping up here, boys. As I say that, we reject, but there you go. It's quite funny. See what happens here. We have news in 10 minutes as well. Looks like we want to come back down though before news. Maybe come back into the range or something? I don't know. But it's definitely trying its hardest. There's a lot of volume right now as well. I'm repeating the same problem of entering too early because it looks like a setup. I need to wait for more liquidity because my shit did play out. Yeah, when you keep getting tapped out, it's most likely because of that. You're entering too early into a position that isn't actually your position, if that makes sense. No, you're entering into something that's not actually your setup. It looks like your setup, but it's not. And that's the actual problem. Alright, we've got news here roughly... Oh, we're actually ripping. Wow. Wow. Alright, boys, we've got to wait for news here. We have to. You are closing above everything, though. Maybe the hourly gives us a nice little closure. Take us up higher. Higher. See, look, you broke these highs to the left now. Which is interesting. I guess how you react here is going to be very important. What's happening here then? What's good, Ewan? I don't know, man. We gotta be patient. What's gold doing, actually? We haven't looked at gold for a while. Yeah, it's still in the same position we left it. How insane. Literally the same position we left it around an hour and a half ago. No surprises there. Oh, sorry, half an hour ago. You got the recording from the Q&A? Yeah, let me upload that actually. I'll upload it in a bit. I forgot to do it last night. Lower time frames are telling me we push further up here, boys. So maybe we can see a nice little move further up. 5 minute close. 5 minute close before news is always an interesting one. I wonder what PMI is actually going to do. I wonder if it's going to have a big impact or not. I was originally going for the 4-hour flip, but stupidly went for a lower time frame. Yeah, but if the higher time frames are working, bro, then just follow the higher time frames. It's pretty simple. Right? 5 closed here. Top wick first, and now flipping bearish. So it looks like we might need to retrace a little bit. That would not be good though, because then the 30 and the hourly is then closing respecting, which means we don't really get any positions. Okay, so we're pushing even further down. Holy shit. It's just the price action of doom and despair, chat. It's just the PA of doom and despair. Five wants to flip. But like I said, chat, earlier, we've got this consolidation right here, which we've been stuck on. We've been consistently getting stuck on that consolidation right there. So I don't know. Might need to wait and see, chat. Might need to be like, we might need to wait for Tuesday when all the markets are back open. I'm not saying we won't get a trade right now. I'll take a look. If there is something forming, I'll take it, right? But if not, it gets very, very difficult. You don't want to force something on a Monday as well. Is London even open? No. London markets are not open right now. Currently. But obviously New York's open now, so that doesn't really make too much of a difference. Two minutes to the hourly close. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is crazy. We're definitely getting stuck here off something. I don't know what we're getting stuck on, but we're definitely getting stuck on something. I guess just these highs to the left. I don't really know much about Discord settings and stuff, but the Q&A VC said it needs to be synced. But everyone should be able, if you can hear it, you should be able to, like, sorry, if you can join it, you should be able to hear it. Permissions. No, it should be okay. Connect, yeah. Oh yeah, it should be fine. There's actually nothing wrong. Oh shit, guys, hourly closed. Wait, no. 1 minute. Had no audio on my PC, but switched over to my phone. I think it might have just been a Discord issue, to be truly honest. What's up, though, Scotty? How's it going, man? Yeah. See if we can get like an hourly flip here or something. Bottom wick and a flip on the hourly. Or do we just absolutely rip it up the moment it opens? Genuinely so much volume right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but this 1 minute's ripping up and down. Oh my days. What is this? Oh yeah, obviously news, right? I forgot about this. So we closed no top wick. That's probably the most horrible closure I've ever seen. How did the news come out? Oh my days. We filled the range. Holy shit, boys. That is just unbelievable. Insane stuff right there, boys. And with that, I think we're going to have to be done. Because I think that might be the most cooked price action I've ever seen in my entire life. Gold as well. Both absolutely chop city.
Being free, being me is all I ever truly
Came out bad for the dollar, right? So technically that should be bad for NQ.
searched high and low for love and warmth, but always left defeated.
So chopped. Are we serious? What's happening? Wait. Call it? Yeah, probably will. It was weird because I could see your green highlight when you were speaking. Yeah, exactly. So it definitely, like, my voice was definitely working.
This love will be the water to your heart's root.
Holy shit, boys. That's gonna have to be it. That is going to have to be it. Guys, I can't take anything here. I literally can't take anything. So I'll probably call it. I'll probably call it, chat. It's been real. It's been a good stream. I'm gonna be live in the private Discord. Apologies, tomorrow. And by the way, look at how it tapped my level on the dot. Even during news, it taps the level on the dot and rejects. Unbelievable. Like, absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, crazy. Well, chat, listen. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the free Discord. He's got the 6th sense. I'm good at fucking trading, boys. It's very simple. But yeah, listen. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Jump in the free Discord if you're not already. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, much love. Bye-bye, chat. Bye-bye.